Welcome back to our channel. Get ready to witness the world's most powerful forestry machines in action. These giants are reshaping the industry like never before. Let's dive in. The Savannah Stump Puller is an impressive machine built for heavy-duty stump removal. Its powerful pulling mechanism grips onto stubborn stumps, leveraging massive force to extract them from the ground. With its hydraulic strength and rugged design, this equipment is ideal for clearing land where dense tree roots have made it challenging to cultivate. The efficiency and raw power of this stump puller make it a valuable tool for those working in forestry or agriculture. The tree shredding excavator is a sight to behold, effortlessly transforming massive trees into piles of shredded material. Equipped with a powerful rotating shredder attachment, this machine tackles even the thickest trunks and branches, reducing them to manageable mulch in moments. MDE Machinery Slayer Tree. Shear is a formidable tool for quickly dismantling trees. The shear's sharp, reinforced jaws grip and slice through tree trunks in a single motion, simplifying the process of land clearing. Its precise, quick-action cutting mechanism makes it well-suited for selective forestry management and large-scale harvesting. This tree shear's efficiency and control provide operators with a powerful, dependable tool for handling dense vegetation or tree removal with minimal fuss. XHP skid steer with its mulcher attachment is a versatile machine, combining mobility with powerful tree processing capabilities. It shreds through heavy vegetation and small trees with ease, converting them to mulch. The compact skid steer is especially useful in tight spaces or uneven terrain, where larger machines may struggle. 300 Plus BC300 is a robust piece of equipment designed to make quick work of tree felling and management. With its innovative gripping and cutting mechanism, it securely holds trees in place while cutting them down cleanly and safely. This feature minimizes the risks of falling timber, making it ideal for forestry work where control and safety are paramount. The tree shear's efficiency in clearing dense wooded areas adds significant value to operations that require precise, controlled tree removal. The Whitland's Engineering Trauma Wood Cleaner is an advanced machine designed to efficiently clean and process wood by separating dirt, debris, and smaller particles from firewood or wood chips. Utilizing a large rotating drum, or trommel, this cleaner gently tumbles the wood, allowing loose particles to fall through a mesh screen while retaining the larger, cleaned wood pieces. This process ensures a cleaner, higher quality end product ideal for firewood suppliers, wood chip producers, and anyone looking to deliver top quality wood for heating or biomass. The machine's robust construction and high capacity make it suitable for heavy-duty, continuous use, making it a valuable addition to professional wood processing setups. This wood splitter is equipped with a powerful cutting blade, allowing it to slice through large logs effortlessly. With each stroke, the blade drives through the wood, splitting it into smaller sections with minimal resistance. The machine's robust construction ensures durability, making it a reliable tool for anyone needing a quick and efficient way to process firewood. This powerful splitter saves both time and labor, ideal for preparing large quantities of wood. Built with a powerful hydraulic arm and a sharp-edged blade, this wood splitter quickly turns hefty logs into manageable pieces. The machine's strong arm grips the wood, while the blade smoothly cuts through even the toughest section. Its precision and power make it well-suited for both commercial and personal use, especially for users handling large volumes of wood. This efficient wood splitter transforms dense logs into firewood in a matter of seconds. This wood-splitting machine uses a heavy-duty drill bit to split massive logs into smaller fragments with ease. The drill's power and rotation dig deeply into the log, gradually breaking it apart without extra force. Ideal for processing large or hardwood logs, the machine's innovative design makes wood splitting faster and less physically demanding. This splitter is especially valuable for commercial forestry, where high efficiency is crucial. Equipped with a circular cutting blade, this wood-cutting machine makes quick work of branches and smaller logs, slicing them into short, uniform sections. The blade's rapid rotation and sharp edge ensure clean cuts with minimal effort, making it ideal for producing firewood from various wood types. This compact and efficient machine is perfect for anyone needing to process medium to small logs for home heating or other purposes. Its precision and speed make wood cutting quick and manageable.